This spook-tacular season, we're celebrating Liver Cancer Awareness Month. With an entire division devoted to drug-induced liver injury, we're honored to get the opportunity to help in the effort to treat this disease by using our QSP modeling platforms DILIsym and NAFLDsym to ensure the safety of new medicines. It's all treats and no tricks at this year's American Conference of Pharmacometrics in San Diego, California. Get a glimpse of DILIsym's software capabilities at a pre-conference workshop October 6th. Scientists from all 3 divisions will be haunting in booths 1 and 2 October 7th through the 10th. On October 10th, Fiedler-Kelly and Yogesh Patel will co-chair sessions 6C Symposium entitled Effective Communications of Covariate Effects, and a wicked one-day post-conference workshop entitled Extending MAM PBPK Modeling Approaches to Predict Non-Oral Delivery of Drugs will happen on the 12th. Boo! Not attending ACOP this year? Check out the rest of our frightfully packed October conference schedule online. Several times a year, we host workshops outside of the US, and this month we're heading east for a series of GastroPlus workshops in Tokyo, Japan. Introductory and advanced courses will be led by our expert scientists Viera Lukachova and Jessica Spires. Don't worry, they won't bite. Well, maybe. For a full list of news and events, or to register for a workshop, visit us online at simulations-plus.com.